Kia ora and welcome to Sweetest Cooking. Anke here, and it is so lovely to see you. In today's episode I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe to make an apple shortcake. And it is quick to make because for this recipe I'm using canned apples, and I recommend basically that everybody has got one in their household because you never know, you could get unexpected visitors or you might fancy a yummy dessert after dinner. So apple shortcake is your way to go. If you're new to my cooking channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. But now, without further ado, let's get baking. do hope you enjoyed this episode, and now it's time to taste our apple shortcake. So I've got a little piece here. I recommend to serve it with some ice cream and some whipped cream on the side, but it is just as delicious on its own. I love that it's not so sweet. And you can really taste the butter. It's just gorgeous. Now I do hope you will try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.